how to use web browser in RAVE app. So let's just show me my experience. So if you tap plus in the bottom right, then you can just tap web. So this is not exactly web browser. This is just like a Google search. And web doesn't work with every video. If a video can be played in RAVE, a pop-up will appear. So this is where it becomes a bit tricky. So obviously you can't use just RAVE app just to browse some search results together with your friends. So it's not possible. But it's just possible to browse some YouTube or some other videos. I'll just show an example. So for example, I will just search videos from my channel just to show you. So here is some, for example, some of my videos. And then either on TikTok, like just doesn't matter, you need to see this pop-up. So then you will see this pop-up and then you can just tap play. And then basically you can just open and start new session in RAVE from the web browser video. Sometimes it's just a bit buggy from TikTok, but whatever video you will find in the web results, if you can then open it up in this kind of pop-up, then you will be able to use RAVE with the web browser. There is no other way to use RAVE with the web browser. Unfortunately, you can't browse Instagram like some other apps. You can't just browse some websites. Nope, it's only this way. So that's just the experience I have right now. If you have any additional insights, feel free to share them in comments.